10 important things to know about NIFT Situation Test. 1. Only shortlisted BDES candidates from Phase 1 can participate. 2. Criteria include creativity, space usage, color, construction, and presentation. 3. Write-up in English only. 4. On-the-spot jury evaluation. 5. Test times vary across campuses, usually 10 a.m. to 12 p.m. 6. Bring specified items only. 7. No electronic devices allowed. 8. Admit card and valid ID are a must. 9. Bring originals and copies of certificates for verification. 10. Situation test weighs 20%. CAT and GAT carry 50% and 30% respectively. How to prepare for NIFT Situation Test. Choose from our comprehensive coaching options. 1. Classroom coaching. 10 lectures, 30 hours coaching crash course by NIFT alumni. Solve past 10 years situation test papers. Free home coaching kit included. 2. Live online coaching. Study from anywhere in the world with our interactive online classes. Enjoy the same benefits as classroom coaching. 3. Home coaching kit. SILICA's home coaching kit contains 30-plus video lessons for situation test, 15 solved situation test guidance on creative write-ups, 100-plus practice exercises, 20-plus materials for 10 practice situation tests, portfolio and interview ebooks available on mobile app. Created by NIFT faculty. Learn anytime, anywhere. Choose the option that best fits your needs and start preparing today. With SILICA by your side, you'll be well on your way to cracking the NIFT situation test and securing your dream admission.